The following bar graph gives information about facility completeness in different schools. In the bar graph, the highest value is school A and the lowest value is school D. In the bar graph, there is also school B, school C, and school E. On the left, there are numbers such as 20, 40, 60, and 80%. In conclusion, this bar graph is about facility completeness in different schools.
This picture is a bar chart with beautiful colors such as blue and white. The bar graph provides some information about facility in different schools. The vertical axis of the graph shows different numbers from 0 to 80, while the horizontal axis of the graph shows different numbers from school A to school E. The minimum amount is equal to 60 related to school D, and the maximum amount is equal to 90 related to school A. In conclusion, you can find out some information about facility in different schools that can be used in future studies.
The picture is a bar chart titled Facility Completeness in Different Schools. There are different schools in this picture, such as School A, School B, School C, School D, and School E. The highest number is about 90%, which is related to School A. The second highest number, about 85%, which is related to School C. On the other hand, the lowest number, which is related to School D. In conclusion, School A stands out the most.
The bar graph gives information about facility completeness in different schools. The image includes several elements like school A, B, and C. Firstly, the highest value can be seen in school A, which is near to 85%, and the lowest value can be seen in school D, which is near to 60. Moreover, school B, which is near to 75, and the school E, which is near to 78%, and the last school of the C is near to 59. Overall, this bar graph provides summary about facility competence in different schools.
This bar chart gives information about facility completeness in different schools. X-axis presents the schools that School R, School B, School C, School D, and School E, and they are colored with green. From the picture we can see in School B has higher value which is 75%. The highest point is in School A which is 90%. Moreover, lowest one in the School D just 60%. To sum up, this image tells about the facility completeness in different schools. Thank you.
The picture provided is a bar graph which depicts facility completeness in different schools. The x-axis lists the different schools such as School A and School E, while the y-axis represents the facility completeness in percentages ranging from 0 to the 80 percentages. It is clearly visible that the School A has the maximum facility completeness which is more than 80%. Conversely, the School D have the minimum facility completeness which is less than 60%. The data is valuable for facility completeness in different schools and highly effective.
The picture is a bar chart titled Facility Completeness in Different Schools, such as School A, School B, School C, School D, and School E. The highest number is about 90%, which is related to School A. The second highest number is about 85%, which is for School C, followed by 75%, which is related to School B. On the other hand, the lowest number is about 60%, which is related to School D. In conclusion, School A stands out the most.
Given picture is a bar graph for facility completeness. The primary feature of the image is facility completeness in different school. On y-axis, there is percentage of facility completeness. Not given on x-axis, there are sections of schools are given. Section A is around 85%, and section B is around 65%. Section C is around 82%. Section D is around 60%, and section E is around 65%. The highest percentages of section A, which is 85%, and the lowest percentages of section D, which is 60%. In conclusion, the picture depicts the facility completeness in different schools and their percentages.
This bar graph gives information about facility completeness in different schools. From the picture, we can see that in school E, the value is 70%. In school B, the value is higher, which is 75%. The highest number of is school A, which is around 90%. And the lowest is one of the school D, just 60%. To sum of the graph tells about the facility completeness.
This is a bar chart which is providing information about the facility completeness in different school. The x-axis represent the schools and the y-axis represent the facility completeness in percentage. For school A, we can see it is the highest, which is greater than 80%. For school B, C, D, and E, it is greater than 60%, and for school C, it is also greater than 80%. So this is a very informative graph which provided information about the facility completeness. Thank you.
The given bar graph gives us the information about facility completeness in different schools. The left axis of the graph gives us the information about the facility completeness, whereas the right axis of the graph gives us the information about different schools. The schools has been discussed from A to E. The highest school percentage goes to school A, whereas the lowest school percentage goes to school D. Overall, it is a very informative image that gives us the information about facility completeness in different schools as well.
The following pie chart gives information about a facility completeness in different schools. The first tracking feature of the image is many of the different type of school grade and his percentage described in this pie chart. Furthermore, important information about school A 85% and school B 65% is given. Moreover, some details about school C 80% is also presented. Additionally, some facts about school D 60% can be seen. I can see largest value school A 85%, also the smallest value school D 65%. In conclusion, the pie chart is very informative and very useful.
The given picture gives information about facility completeness in different schools, and that bar graph is showing two different kinds of axes. At x-axis, different kinds of schools are mentioned starting from school A, school B, school C, school D, school E. At y-axis, different values are mentioned, that is the facility completeness that is given in percentage, that is starting from 0 to 80%. And the highest value that is shown by the school A, it is above 80, and the lowest one that is shown by the school D, it is about 60% of the total. All the other values are ranging in between these two values, and overall that is giving facility completeness in different schools.
The given image provides information about facility completeness in different schools. The y-axis shows facility completeness in percentage from 0 to 80, and x-axis shows the name of the schools: School A, School B, School C, School D. School A had the highest percentage 85, School C had the second highest 82, and School D had the lowest 60. Overall, the image focused on facility completeness in different schools. The given image provides us information about facility completeness in different schools. The x-axis shows the name of the schools: School A, B, C, D, E, and y-axis shows facility completeness in percentage 0 to 80. School A had the highest 85%, then School C had the second highest 82%, School D had the lowest 60%. Overall, the image focused on facility completeness in different schools.